Here's a real, romantic, psychologically powerful guide on how to make any woman miss you deeply and emotionally, not through games, but through genuine attraction and emotional connection. Number 1. Be present. Then pull back when you're on her. Be fully there. Make her feel seen, heard, and valued. Give her your full attention, deep eye contact, and real laughter. Then, step back. Don't always be available. That contrast between presence and absence is what creates emotional longing. Number 2. Leave her with positive emotions. People miss how you make them feel, not just what you do every time you talk. Make it light, romantic, and emotionally fulfilling. Be the reason she smiles before sleeping. If every memory with you feels good, her heart will crave that feeling again. Number 3. Don't overtext. Let silence speak. Texting all the time kills the emotional rhythm. Give her space to think about you. When she doesn't hear from you, she'll replay your last conversation in her head, wondering what you're doing, who you're with, and why she can't stop thinking of you. Number 4. Build emotional connection. Not just physical. Ask deep questions. Talk about dreams, fears, memories. When she feels emotionally understood by you, it creates a rare kind of bond that lingers even in your absence. That's when she misses you, not just physically, but spiritually. Number 5. Don't chase. Let her feel your absence. When you stop chasing, she starts wondering. When you respect her space, she feels your value. And when she realizes no one else makes her feel like you do, that's when she'll miss you badly. Number 6. Leave a signature touch. Maybe it's a phrase you always say, a scent she associates with you, a way you hug or hold her hand. These little things become emotional anchors. And every time she feels or smells something similar, her mind goes straight back to you. Number 7. Build emotional connection. Not just physical. Ask deep questions. Talk about dreams, fears, memories. When she feels emotionally understood by you, it creates a rare kind of bond that lingers even in your absence. That's when she misses you, not just physically, but spiritually. Number 6. Be passionate about your own life. Women are drawn to men who have direction and energy. When you focus on your goals, purpose, and personal growth, it makes her admire you and miss your energy when you're not around.